Hello everybody out there in the land of make-believe. This is the holier than hell Reverend Bark Me Laughing Wolf, submortal cheerleader to the apocalypse and diabolical minion of good. And I'm doing an unboxing video, even though I don't like them. I don't like unboxing videos. I'm not gonna pretend I know something about the thing I'm unboxing. I just want you to see what I got in my box. I also want to see what I got in my box too. It said, I don't know if it's all shipped or we'll see if it all shipped. Let's see. I'm excited. I'm excited. All right. And this is, of course, my BBSHD kit. Should be my kit. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at yep. Says it's everything. Look at that. They got a checklist. Okay, let's look. What we got? What's this? Oh, it's my charger. All right, and I got crank kick arms and my tool and the operational manual and brake levers. Those are for sale. What's this? This is bits and pieces and more bits and pieces. Hey, what's this? Oh, hey, it's my grips. Those are nice grips, actually. I might stick with those. They're pretty soft. I might stick with those grips. I have some other grips just in case. Some more bits and pieces. Additional bits and pieces. Now I'm looking for something specific. I ordered separate from the kit, and I'm not seeing it yet. I'll have to look at the list and see if it's on the list. I ordered a Bling ring separate, and this is all it. This is it, and this is my motor. I'm not going to pull the motor out. This is the motor. And up here's my gear sensor. Okay, got my gear sensor. And oh, what's this? Oh, good. Okay, this is what I was looking for. This is my brake sensors, which I do need and ordered. That looks like it. I don't see the blingy ringy. So, poopy caca. So that stinks. I don't want to have to. I'm hoping to have the Bling ring when I put it together, because I don't have to take it apart, put it back together. So I will check on that, and I'll check on the list to make sure that they don't think they shipped the Bling ring in here. I'll take this out in a sec. It's under something. Put all this stuff back. I'm gonna check underneath the thing. Okay, I looked all through the box and pulled the styrofoam out to see if there was. I wouldn't put it in the side, but I thought I'd check, see if they put it inside. So it's not in here. So I guess it's coming in a different shipping. But I got this. This could get me started. Now all I need is a battery, and I'm on the road, technically. Now I gotta put all this other stuff on too. All right, that's it. Ride safe, be seen. Oh, have fun.